experiencing your fan is heating up or uh, not giving the expected wind for cooling, then you can test your fan for this. What you have to do is just put your fan into the lowest setting and wait until it settles with the maximum speed, and then switch off and collect the time where it stops completely. Now I switch off my fan and I check the time duration where the fan blades will stop completely. So if it takes less than 20 seconds, then you can conclude that it is actually the inside friction of the fan rotor, not only the. So you can see now there is some grease in the fan rotating gear, where this is used to mainly used to rotate the fan, and this grease, when fan heats up, this grease will go inside these bearings. So in this fan, it's actually normal old bearing type fan. So these grease will go inside, and then it will act as some kind of gum. So then what you can do is you can use some kind of silicone spray or silicone oil and spray it into this area in both bearings from front and back. Now I am spraying it to the back, and then you can rotate the rotor or fan blades, and then you can test again. So if this if the time is greater than 20 seconds, so your fan friction is gone, so you can use the fan further without a problem. So now I sprayed this silicone spray into these areas where it will lubricate and remove those additional grease from the fan. So now I am going to test this fan, so and with the timer. Okay, when we check this, so we again put this to the lowest setting and stay a few seconds until it reached its maximum speed, and then switch off the fan and take the time duration when the fan goes to its complete stop. Okay, in this time, so let's check this. Yes, okay, now it passes 20 seconds. So now fan is almost okay. Now you can repeat this for several times, and then increase the time duration of the fan. So without replacing the capacitor, you can use this method if your fan heats up and not giving the expected speed. So even though if you change the capacitor, fan will heat up, and then if the friction exists further, then it will your motor will burn easily in a few days. Okay, thank you very much.